Welcome back to Core English. In this lesson, we will review everything we learned in Level 1 so that you have confidence in applying it fully. Remember, if you need them, the original lessons can be found on YouTube at coreenglish.org and on our website, coreenglish.org. Let's begin. Lesson 1. In this lesson, you learned to spot and hear the beginning sounds in words. What are the beginning sounds of the following words? The beginning sound will be given after a pause for you to compare. Sun. S. Dog. D. Apple. A. Man. Top. T. Fish. F. Bed. B. Lemon. U. Umbrella. Cat. K. Very good. Lesson 2. In this lesson, you were introduced to word families and the final sounds in words. A word family is a group of words that share the same ending sound and spelling. Say what word family each of these words belong in. Good. What is the final sound in the following words? Once again, the sound will be given after a pause for you to compare. Fan. N. Bat. T. Sit. T. Pen. N. Bit. T. Can. Very good. Lesson 3. In this lesson, you started to work with sentences and discovered a few basic things that make a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that tells us something, begins with a large uppercase letter, makes sense as a statement, and can end with a period. Which of these are correct sentences? Great! Lesson 4. In this lesson, we introduce the idea that understanding the meaning in sentences can be helped through the use of who, what, where. What is the who, what, where in these sentences? Correct answers will be given after a pause. Who? The children. What? Play. Where? In the park. Who? Anna. What? Reads a book. Where? In the library. Who? The dog. What? Sleeps. Where? On the sofa. Who? We. What? Eat dinner. Where? At the table. All right. Lesson 5. In this lesson, we started to build sentences through the use of words that you know and expanded our use of who, what, where to include actions and descriptions. A few further things were added, where sentences are questions and where they have an exclamation mark at the end. Work out where the who, action, what, where, or description may occur in each sentence. The correct answers will be given after a pause. Who, he. Action, laughed. Who, she. Action, ate. What? The pie. Who, she. Action, worked. Where? In the garden. Who, he. Action, walked. What? The dog. Description, old. Who, they. Action, shopped. Description, often. Very good. Lesson 6. This lesson deals with very important words in English. Am, is, are. Words that tell the action of being. These words simply show who we are, what something is, or how something is. What action of being word is missing from each sentence? Correct answers after the pause. I am happy. The cat is small. You are a student. She is my friend. They are players. Sally is sitting down. Bob and John are riding bikes. Congratulations! You have completed Core English Level 1. If at any time you need them, the original lessons can be found on YouTube at coreenglish.org and on our website, coreenglish.org. When you are ready, move on to Level 2, Growing Your English. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.